Hi there, Taurus. This is Kim with your reading. It's your monthly reading. I'm actually going to start doing some next 48-hour readings in between the monthly. So that's new. That's coming back, actually, because I used to do that. And it might help to put a time frame on things. So this one in particular, though, is your monthly. So we're using the Enchanted Forhaxa Tarot, and we're going to pull a Celtic cross with lots of different cards to clarify. So let's see, Taurus, opening up to your spirit team, your spirit guides, and your angels. Let's get some messages. If you like a private reading, something more tailored to your own energy, that information's in the description box below. You can purchase one. You are sent a recorded reading from me, very similar to this, but based on what you want to know and your energy. Okay, so it's a little different. And thank you for showing up with me here. Thanks for liking. Do consider subscribing if you enjoy the content or the energy read. All right. Na 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 na. Ooh, Queen of Earth. Good. For those of you that work from home, that's a good sign to get the Queen of Earth. Wow, to get the Queen of Earth. Whoa, we have, wow, lots of things that have to do with Earth, 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 Earth. Your money, too, for the outcome. Wow, whoa, look at all these major arcana. Wheel of Fortune, Strength, and Judgment. The Queen and the King of Pentacles here. Whoa. And you are feeling like yourself with the King of Pentacles. I can't get over this read. This is a good read. Okay, let me show you. The past energy here is the Two of Water. And they have another two as your issue, with the Elder of Air being the challenge. Goal and Destiny is the Eight of Earth, a beautiful card. In the heart space, heart of the matter, is the Wheel of Fortune. We have the Elder of Earth or King of Pentacles as your own energy, the Nine of Fire in the environment. The Queen of Earth, underlying issue, Seven of Earth, future, Ace of Fire, hope or fear, but it's probably a hope. And then Strength and Judgment for your outcome. So we'll clarify these and see what they are in this upcoming month for you. But I have good partnerships here with the Two of Water. The Two of Water can also be about choices that we have to make. Good choices, though. Maybe about who you want to partner with, or just a really good situation. So let's go ahead and clarify it. Wow. This is an excellent reading. Tell me about the Two of Water. The Ten of Wands. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, when I said who you want to partner up with, who you don't, if you feel like you're taking on too much compared to somebody else, there might be this new thing coming in. I don't know, but it kind of looks like it's leading to some type of divine match for you. Something very aligned with you. Two of Fire. Because the Ten of Wands can be when we're just kind of burned out on something, I'll be honest. And so with it being right here with the Two of Water, yeah, and the Three of Cups in reverse, it might just be something where you were kind of burned out on a partnership. Okay, so tell me about what we're becoming more aligned with the Two of Fire. And if anything, they're saying focus is really important. And with the King of Air, discipline, dedication, and effort is very important. Another two, Two of Pentacles, and a two on the bottom. You guys, Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles. Wow, you have them all. You have them all. Two of Water, Two of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords. You have all the twos. There's a new partnership coming in. There's a choice and a decision and a new partnership coming in for sure. I'm getting justice and balance energy with all of these twos. Whoa. So you could be in a period where you end up doing a lot, like juggling a lot, making big decisions this month, is what I see. The challenge, staying dedicated, staying disciplined to what you want to accomplish. That's the challenge. Oh my goodness. Okay, so tell me about the Wheel of Fortune, because this is good fortune, the wheel turning in your favor. having to do with with who you're going to be working with. Wow, the wheel is turning in your heart space for you to collaborate or work with people that you enjoy working with. The Three of Pentacles also is other people maybe looking at your work and kind of, you know, with admiration. So you could be getting recognition from others also here, because there's something that you're creating where you're just really putting your heart into it. And when you put your heart into it, that's putting your all into it. So tell me about how we're feeling, which I would suspect would be very good. The King of Earth. It's your own energy. It's very grounded. It's doing good with business. I see so many pentacles here. So many pentacles. Oh my goodness. Taurus, you're in alignment. You're in alignment. 2, 3, 4. It's undeniable with your pentacles. This is crazy good. Alignment is everything. 2, 3, 4. You might be seeing the numbers 2, 3, 4. Expect to see numbers that are lined up. Letting the universe letting you know, hey, you're in alignment, big time. So you're feeling pretty stable and grounded, and you're holding your own. You're trying to withstand letting in, like not letting in any kind of unwanted energies here in your auric field, because you're concentrated on one, grounding yourself, being with the earth here, doing really good, saving on to something, saving on to money perhaps, or building. It is a builder card, so it might be about what you're also wanting to build. Your strength, your spiritual strength is also, you've got a lot of energy coming towards you saying, yeah, your spiritual strength is really high right now. 9 of Fire. Like outstanding. You still have the eyes looking at you too in this card. Another pentacle. Are we going to get all of the pentacles out here? Perhaps. We might. I mean, right now we're just missing the 5, the 6. Wow. Okay, so Knight of Pentacles. I'm telling you, keep going, keep persevering, because there's something that you're doing that's bringing in success, and it's steady. It's with your dedication and your discipline and diligence, it's like this is like a sure thing in February for you. So tell me about 7 of Earth, which is your patience, your planning, and another 8 of Pentacles. You guys, I have to get some water. I have to refill my energy here. Oh my goodness. 8 of Earth, 8 of Earth. What the crap are you working on? Because whatever this is, finances, looks really good, and you look masterful. As you do this, you're doing something really, really good. Can we say like jackpot cha-ching in this reading? That's what I would say. 8 of Earth, gold and destiny. It's what you're investing into. It's the seeds that you've already been sowing. I don't think we even need to clarify it. What we're hoping for is that this work and this stability that we've built for ourselves is going to pay off with a new pathway, with a new inspired passion, like we're wanting that, right? And the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I think it's sideways like this because I don't think it's happened yet. I don't think the wheel is completely turned yet, but it's in your heart space. It is what's manifesting. 2 Wheel of Fortunes, 2 8 of Pentacles. That means that those are specifically very important, and a family here, practically the whole family, grounded and resourceful, money doing extremely well. February. Woo. Tell me about strength and judgment. Looks like a path that's opened up in order for a rebirth to occur. Some area of your life you're given the strength and the confidence. Look at this. The King of Wands. Hello. Whatever it is that you're building is going to be so wildly successful here in February. Oh my goodness. Leo, Sagittarius energy. Just strong energy. Of course, you have all of the Pentacle energy here. Temperance. Yeah, have patience with yourself. This is unwinding for you. Have patience with yourself, my dear. Especially if you're in this place right here where we feel a little closed off or dissatisfied or bored with whatever's going on in the immediate environment. they're literally saying, have patience with your diligence, with what you are trying to build for yourself, putting your head into your work. The wheel of fortune is turning for you. I see this being very fortunate for you. This is a quick reading because, oh my goodness, you know, it's just that good. It's that good. And whenever a reading is just that good, I don't really have to clarify too much. I would just say, keep doing what you're doing. It's bringing in the money and the stability. So we'll pull from the 108 deck here, and then we'll close off with an angel number message. But this looks so good. Tell me a little bit more for Taurus. A little bit more for Taurus. Checkered flag. Conclusion, outcome, finale, completion, verdict, settled, results, signaling the end, finishing first, achievement, culmination, final chapter, endings, feeling relieved. And here we go with this Nine of Fire. What's laying out on top of it is put that mind into action. Put those, thoughts that you have about work or whatever it is you want to gain, the stability you're wanting for yourself and what you're wanting to build. You have all the tools to do it. Even if it's spiritual warfare, you have all the tools to get past spiritual warfare. Look, you're the star underneath there. Goodness. So the tool says practical abilities, resources, has what it takes, application, build it, fix it, organization, help someone, task at hand, equipment, masculinity, get shit done. Here's your crew. In sync, working together as a unit, team, together, co-creating, pulling assets, forming alliances, partnership, and team effort. And I have flag, achievement, recognition, overthrow, success, victory, winner, conquest, another flag, 2 flags. Carry the day, plans are coming to fruition, king of the mountain. 8, I am successful on the bottom. I have 30, you're an original, innovative thinker. Look at this, you guys. No way. Oh my gosh. Okay. So 30 says you're an original, innovative thinker, an excellent communicator. You have a great talent for using creativity to convey your ideas. Your optimistic attitude has an uplifting effect on others. I'm imaginative. And 23, you have a zest for life. You are eager to experience anything and everything possible. You love change and excitement and need to feel both to feel truly alive. For you, life is an adventure to be lived to the fullest. I'm adventurous. 888. As you focus on all the wonderful things that surround you, you're clearing the path for more positive energy to flow into all areas of your life, creating a place for abundance. And that is exactly what this reading is about. 888, I'm abundant. Number 8, your talent for setting and reaching goals is like no other. You are self-sufficient and capable of achieving your ambitions. 8 representing the ebb and flow, the infinite loop of creation. I am successful. And that's what I have for you all, Taurus, and you love and light.